Zoe's Science Girl, and today we're going to be making a turtle out of succulents. So these are the succulents, and then we're going to be using camouflage. But I wanted to use glitter, but the top fell off.
Oh.
The top was gone.
No top.
See, it came with no top, and the turtle, this is like, so this is the, let me put my mask down. This is the shell.
And you're gonna fill that with dirt?
Yeah, and this is the pulley.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna be using this. My mom bought this one, and my dad got the big one.
What are those for?
For the legs.
Okay, so
We're gonna color them, which we have different colors. Color a choice. We're gonna be coloring the shell.
that's optional though, huh?
Yeah, that's optional. So you can choose any color, but I'm gonna choose camouflage because I don't want the other thing.
So this is what it's gonna look like at your first step?
Yeah.
So that is the shell.
Yeah, that is the shell.
Those are the legs.
Yep. And then now we're gonna spray paint. So we're gonna be spray painting. And you will need parents' help.
Permission too, right?
Yeah, permission, because you're gonna need a mask because you don't want to be smelling it, else you're gonna get sick. I don't know how to turn it. Sorry, I want to burn that house. You're gonna be spraying. But this is camouflage. Sorry, I did it too close. But we're gonna.
So you gotta just do your best to color it, right?
Yeah. And turn it.
Nice job.
Okay, and it should look like this.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah. So these are the succulents. We have different succulents. My mom's backyard has a lot of succulents.
So you could use those?
Yeah, so we should use it for the turtle so it can bloom.
So this is all the first step.
Yeah, this is all the first step.
So for the legs, you need parents' help. So
Yeah.
you're gonna need to get a washer and stick a wire through here, and then bring the washer through the inside and do a loop and twist it around so the leg stays on.
And then you can color the shell.
And you bring the leg through the belly so it'll have a foundation.
But if you don't want to color the legs, that means you don't need parent help.
Yeah, but you need parents' help to put it on.
Yeah.
That's all. So everything's fastened on. You could color this or not.
And
there's dirt in there, right?
Yep. And then guys, you have to screw little holes in there, and then there you go.
All right. So these are gonna go on the turtle, sticking on here like this to create a turtle. And what about the turtle head and tail?
We're gonna do succulent on there.
We're gonna build that last, right?
Yeah, we're gonna do that last.
So you want to tell everybody what to stay tuned for the final episode?
Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Watch for another video. Bye. Are these legs dry? Because I need to move it.
Just move it.
Okay, there's that. Yeah, there's that. Okay. Peach is green and both don't look green. You okay? My hands are dirty.
It's okay, we'll wash them.
Wait, some more. I'm gonna spray them. Stand up and spray that. I'm gonna So, hi everyone, we're going to be making a turtle, but, so first, you want to fill the basket up with dirt.
Let's see.
Mhm.
Show it, the basket.
Here's the basket.
Take off the belly.
See? And you want to put the dirt.
Soil.
Soil, and then the dirt that you have at your house. And then this right here is for your belly. So it goes like this. And then we want to get a wire like this. And then a washer. Let your parent get a washer. And then you're going to stick it through the hole.
Can you show them the washer one more time?
Yeah, this is the washer.
Let me see.
See?
And they tied it, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
tie
okay, tie a loop. Okay.
Tie a loop and stick it through the hole. Okay. And then, you see how it holds? And
Yeah.
the next thing, you're going to put it through. But, get one of these bellies. And then
Take it off and show them.
Okay, get one of these bellies and drill the holes, and you'll need parents' help for that.
Mm-hmm.
So, and the
So
next,
you should just put the belly leg through, the leg through, right?
yeah, and then this is how you put it through. So you're gonna flip it, or do it, and then you're gonna do it like this, and then you're gonna need parents' help to tie it.
Tie that to the other leg right there, right?
Wait, what other leg?
When we stick one in there.
Yeah, when we stick one in here, you have to tie it.
So then they'll have legs?
Yeah.
Just like that. Okay.
So, the belly back.
So then the leg will be there.
Yep. Then, next thing, we're gonna be doing succulents. Oh wait, no, we're gonna have a moss. You could do green moss or brown moss, whatever.
Show the other moss again.
Brown moss.
It's called sphagnum moss.
Yes, green moss. And then we're gonna be using these wires. We're gonna be using this for the tail.
And that
then-
grows around succulents, huh?
Yeah, and then we're gonna put some succulents. Okay.
Can you show them the chicken wire? How do you make the head and stuff?
Then we'll use, this is called chicken wire.
And then you just shape it to what?
A turtle head and a turtle tail.
Okay, so do you ready to show them what the turtle's gonna look like?
Yeah, it should look
Alright.
like this with the moss. You gotta put the moss in there. And then you can decorate it however you want.
Show them how to decorate it.
And then you get a succulent.
Let me see.
You get a succulent.
That's a nice one. Okay, how do you put it in there?
And then you can make little holes and you gently put it in.
You can feel it going in the dirt, huh?
You can feel it'll bloom.
Then you pat it down.
Yeah, you pat it. There you go.
And that's how you get a what, succulent turtle?
Yep.
What about the eyes?
The eyes, I don't know about that.
We'll be putting some later then.
Yeah, we'll put in some later. And then there's your succulent turtle. If you want one, we can make it for you.
Well, we're making them?
Well, if you want one, I don't know.
But this is Zoe's project, right?
Yeah. So I don't know if we're making them. But yeah, there's your turtle.
So if we make them, then if people are interested how to make them, we'll let them know, right?
Yep. We'll let them know how to make it. So bye, guys. And the moss in there. And then more moss in here. Yeah. This is very hot. Oh goodness. No. Okay. That was good. Oh, this is.
Stuff it in there good.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, here's your tail.
This is my moss. Okay.
Moss turtle head.
And then I want to use the green moss too.
See, the brown one's enough. You can color it.
Make sure I have no spiders on them.
The last one you had a spider.
Yeah, I did. That was kind of.
It was green too. It looked like moss, huh?
Good.
We didn't kill it, so it's alive somewhere.
That just threw it away from me.
Here, try to get it all in there. Here, use this too.
Okay, so hi, we're going to be putting the succulent in. So you want to make little holes?
So you want to introduce your turtle first?
Yeah, this is my turtle. You should put moss.
You have a brown neck. This
If
is the
you
daddy
want
turtle.
If you want, your parents should put your moss in there because the moss has spiders because I was putting the moss in here and a spider got on me.
Yeah, but we didn't know.
Yeah, we didn't know.
That was one of a kind. Maybe one in, I don't know, 50 people bags maybe. Okay, so what did you do? You poke holes?
Poke holes. Your parents should poke holes. Okay. Next, when you get your succulent, put it in your holes.
Find the hole.
This is the hole. Oh, I got the hole. It's right here. I think that we're gonna put a different succulent later. But we're gonna put this succulent. Wait, I got the succulent in.
Good.
There's my succulent. We're gonna be doing this one. I just gotta squirt the
This
turtle.
is the daddy turtle.
That's for my
And
dad.
that's the baby turtle.
My turtle.
Everything's the same size baskets basically, except my legs are bigger and smaller. That's all. So we made the head look smaller.
Okay, this I have to scrape the dirt off, and then we put that.
Oh, cool. So you're putting that succulent in there? You could probably still use that.
I'm gonna do that, and then I have this tiny succulent. I'm gonna try to fit it. And I need more succulent. I don't know where to put it now. We're back because my dad has to get more succulent. But we have more succulent. Gonna crumble it all up so I can take it out. You want to take the dirt off. You probably want to get your succulents from your backyard. Wait, this one has no thing.
It's okay, we'll plant it in there. Put it right here. In that hole.
Okay. This is all the dirt I could get. I'm going to put it right here. How am I supposed to plant it? Oh, just like that. Now I have some more succulent. This is a big one.
Just take a side off.
Oh, a side off. Yeah.
Like that.
Like that. That's how you do it. Now I'll put one succulent. I'll put... No succulent right there. Wait. This is my tail, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to put a succulent. I'm going to say... Maybe I'll put it somewhere else. I'm gonna replace these succulents. I'm gonna change it so that succulent can go there, and the other succulent can go. Okay, that won't work.
Yeah, put that one right here.
I could put it right here.
Let me see. Yeah, you can do that. Put it in there with the tail.
I have more succulent.
So basically, you're just gonna plug in your succulents however you want to decorate your turtle, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get more big succulent.
Okay. You want to tell everybody before you go? Introduce everybody to your turtle.
That's the turtle. And your turtle should look like that. I'm gonna go get some more.